Okay, sir. Are you Justin Lee Thorburn?
Yes, ma'am.
You were arrested for possession of drugs and perhaps possessing a weapon, some kind of weapon that you're not supposed to possess.
That's what they say.
All right. There are no formal charges that have been filed, so you will be released today. However, they may file charges at a later date. If you're not legally able to possess a firearm, I would suggest, or any other kind of weapon, I would suggest that you don't.
What it was I had this. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I'm just trying to steer you from getting into any more trouble, but I don't want you to say anything that might incriminate yourself. But thank you. You're free to go.
All right. Thank you.
Amy, is this the one that the case is dismissed, but he got arrested on this warrant? Or what? Why does it say case dismissed?
The case is dismissed, but he was picked up on a warrant that I believe the clerk had indicated that the return's not been received yet, if I remember right. On DeBellis, is that the one you're talking about?
Yeah, I don't have any notes, so I wouldn't know anything. Mr. DeBellis, you bonded out with second chance October 18th, 2024.
Yes, Your Honor.
From a failure to appear on September 30th, 2024. There had been a motion to dismiss for lack of speedy trial previously filed in September of 24. I don't know if it was heard. There's no return of service on your warrant. There's no order of dismissal. There's nothing except I'm being advised that your case has been dismissed. And I'm talking about 2023 CR 300071. With that number, that was probably filed when we, I would say it was filed when we had the computer virus computer shutdown situation. It was charged as a interference with law enforcement from December of 23. What do you know about this?
I know that I believe Mr. Yeager was there, Phyllis Webster, and about 13 other people. We all sat in court. I was there with Darren Patterson, I believe, and she dismissed it with prejudice.
That's accurate, Judge. The note from 12/18 of 24 from the traffic docket indicates that he was present when Darren, Mr. Regier, Mr. Patterson filed a motion to dismiss for lack of speedy trial. The motion was granted, the case was dismissed, and the journal entry of dismissal just has not been filed yet.
Well, they had a duty when they did that for the state to recall the bond forfeiture bench warrant, or the court to notify the sheriff's office to pull the warrant out of the system, because it appears that he got arrested because that he never got processed on that bond forfeiture bench warrant from January, or I guess it was March 11th of 24.
And Your Honor,
I've been here for about 75 days.
Your Honor, based off my notes from the December 18th hearing, it would appear that that the defendant did execute a bond back in October for an appearance date on October 30th. I cannot speak to any other other jurisdictions. However, what I can tell the court is that I have communicated with counsel for the defense concerning the journal entry from the December 18th hearing.
And was it dismissed with prejudice?
Based off of my notes, Your Honor, it would appear that the court did grant the defendant's attorney's motion to dismiss.
Okay, so unless you're being held for anything else, you are going to be discharged and released today on 23 CR 300071. Okay,
Thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Have a wonderful day.
Sure.